In this video, we will demonstrate how Cloudify can enable organizations to build their own fully open, automated, managed CPE service to provide customers with internet and network services for all their global branches through a real mobile operator's implementation of Cloudify's DIY vCPE solution that was built from concept to production in just a few months. This solution orchestrates VNFs alongside PNFs seamlessly, enabling organizations to take the Cloudify Optimize First approach. With Cloudify's managed CPE service, telcos are provided with a single pane of glass to manage and monitor all of their CPEs, VNFs, and any other IT and network services. Because Cloudify uses a model-driven approach and is built using a pluggable architecture, every component can be easily swapped out or plugged in, even during runtime. With this fully automated solution, telcos gain better visibility into the status of customers' networks and significantly reduces time to market. Let's take a closer look at how this is done. It all begins with a customer ordering a number of new CPEs and some value-added services. Several things happen as a result. The telco's internal system notifies Cloudify's customer service portal and integration hub about the newly purchased services. The integration hub then creates a new tenant for each customer in the Cloudify portal. Next, the customer enters the portal and configures the services. Resources allocated by the Resource Management System, aka RMS, can be VLANs, IP addresses, categories, applications, and more. These allocated resources are displayed in the UI, and their identifiers are saved in the Service Portal backend. While this is happening, the physical CPEs are shipped to the branch offices. Once connected, each device automatically calls home via syslog, which notifies the RMS about new CPEs. The home component can also be deployed and managed by Cloudify. The RMS then notifies the integration hub, and the Alive call reaches Cloudify. Next, Cloudify triggers a netconf call with an XML configuration to configure the CPE. In this specific case, it is configuring Metro, LTE, and ADSL, but any infrastructure is configurable using this method. Next in the chain is the termination point. Everything is configured by Cloudify here as well, including the virtual routers. Then comes the junction point. As with every other component, the junction point is configured by Cloudify over netconf, including VRFs and VLANs per customer. Next, Cloudify configures the virtual firewall VNF via SSH and allocates resources from the RMS. Cloudify can chain, configure, and maintain the lifecycle operations of all the VNFs, as well as PNFs in the service chain. The last component is the Layer 3 gateway, which is used for routing traffic to the world. Cloudify also enables users to monitor their systems and networks. Let's say, for example, that a CPE emits SNMP metrics. Cloudify then uses a monitoring proxy in order to collect these metrics and displays them in the Cloudify UI. Cloudify can also perform Day 2 operations such as reset, upgrade, CPE configuration backup, configuration restore, and much more. Let's see how it all happens inside the UI. Here we can see the information about each CPE, including its name, branch name, serial number, model, and status. In this example, we have 3 CPEs. Tel Aviv is the headquarters, there's a sales branch in London, and the marketing branch is in New York. The access control list can also be viewed with details about the customer, the value-added services that they have purchased, for example in this case, antivirus, URL filtering, application control, anti-spam, SSL login, and the number of branches. You now have a general overview of the power of building your own automated open CPE service with Cloudify. To learn more or book a demo, visit cloudify.co/NFV.